Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the headlights on Renault Laguna second generation. To remove the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper and that grille that I just removed. We start by removing the bolts that hold the undershield to the front bumper and remove also the bolt that holds the front bumper to the wing. That's the bolt right there that holds the bumper to the wing. There's also another couple of bolts on the bottom of the bumper that holds the bumper to those panels. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. Now that we've removed all the bolts on this side, we can pull the bumper out and we can go to the other side and do the same thing. That's the bolt that holds the bumper to the wing on the other side. We need to remove that and then we can we can pull out the bumper. Next we remove the bolts that hold the bumper on top. And once we removed all the bolts that hold the bumper, we can remove the bumper. That's it, the bumper is out. Now we can remove a couple of connectors. Now that we've removed the bumper, we can take the headlights out. The headlights are held by 3 bolts, 2 on top, 1 on the side. and then we can pull it out a little bit and disconnect the electrical connectors on the back of the headlight. And that's the headlight out. Now we can do the same on the other side, and that's it. Thank you for watching.